The next question for you to answer is how much money can you afford to lose? And obviously, that's not the goal here, but this is a serious question. Obviously, you can trade on a demo account for as long as you want or need to, but once you deposit real money into your account, you should only trade with what's called risk capital. Risk capital is money that you can afford to lose. If you lost this money, you wouldn't also lose your car or home or not be able to put food on the table. So don't risk what you can't afford to lose. Trading with money you can't afford to lose will just make you an emotional trader anyway and will lead to you losing even more. If every time a pip goes against you, you think, there goes the money to buy groceries for the week, then it's probably not risk capital. So stick to demo trading until you feel confident about your strategy and you have enough risk capital to be able to put into your account. A lot of people will demo trade for months before depositing real money. Switching to a live account just depends on your risk appetite, whether you have developed a winning strategy or not, and whether or not you have the risk capital saved up. The next question that you may be wondering is, well, how much time do I need to dedicate to Forex trading? First, I want you to think about how much time each day, week, and month, whichever is most appropriate for you, that you can dedicate to managing a trading system. Write down that time. Maybe you have a couple of hours a day, maybe you only have 30 minutes a day, but write down how much time you'd be willing to dedicate to trading and learning this skill. This is very important because your time availability should determine your trading style. For example, the shorter the time frame you're trading, the more time you need to be sitting in front of the charts. Like day traders that enter and exit trades throughout the day are glued to the screen the whole time. So the longer the time frame you trade, the less you'll have to sit and watch your charts. You can just check how things are going from time to time throughout the day. And listen, if you just wrote down, let's say, an hour a day that you have to dedicate to this, that means that you're dedicating a full hour, not 15 minutes of analyzing charts, 30 minutes of funny YouTube videos, and 15 minutes of stalking your friend's Instagram. Because, for example, if you were a scalper, you'd miss out on a ton of winning opportunities throughout that hour. We're going to talk about the different types of traders like day traders and scalpers in the next section. You also need to dedicate time to developing and tweaking your trading system. Your trading system probably won't be perfect from the get-go. You'll probably need to dedicate some time to analyzing your wins and losses and why you won and lost them based on your trading system. Whatever operating hours you decide, just make sure you're able to commit to it consistently. Another question for you is, what kind of return are you expecting to make from Forex trading? And how much are you willing to risk to get that return? Obviously, there's risk to anything we do, and there's risk in the Forex market. So as traders, we expect to be compensated and make a profit for that risk. Your answer to these questions will play a huge role in determining what kind of trading style you will implement, what currency pairs and times you will trade, and most importantly, the risks involved in achieving your goals. Let's look at this example of two different traders. We have here Sally and Bob, and they have completely different goals. So Sally's goal is to make 5% a month on her account. Bob's goal is to double his account every month for a year straight, which means getting 100% return every single month for 12 months straight. As you can imagine, these two traders need to have completely different trading plans in order to achieve their goals. It is very likely that Bob will have to take a lot more trades and/or risk more than Sally. Bob will have to expose himself to more potential losses if he wants to come close to doubling his account every month. Bob will also probably have to be in a lot more drawdown to achieve his goal. If you remember, drawdown is basically just open negative trades, and we'll talk a little bit more about this later as well when we talk about the different styles of trading. But each Forex trader has to decide how much drawdown they are willing to be in to hit their profit target goals. Some people see 10% drawdown and freak out. Others don't worry about drawdown at all as long as they are following their plan. You'll just have to figure out what you're comfortable with. So moving on with this example, let's say Bob plans on doubling his account or getting 100% return a month, but he only plans on spending 15 minutes a day, whereas Sally plans on dedicating an hour a day for just a 5% return a month. Bob's goal isn't very realistic, and if you can't dedicate a significant amount of time working on your system, learning new trading techniques, recording or reviewing your journal, then you'll probably have a hard time hitting your goals. You'll have to figure out how much time you have and adjust your goals and expectations accordingly. In the end, just know that success depends on you. You have all of the information you need to be a successful trader here in Edge Trading Academy. And as I've always said, it is completely worth it to develop the skill to make money in the Forex market. It can really change your life. So the question is, Do you have the discipline to grind it out consistently, to tweak your skills and gain the experience needed to be successful in the market? I hope your answer is yes, and if it is, keep going, keep pushing, be consistent, and stay disciplined. I'll see you in the next section.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.